Jpac, if you want to lie next time, lie the lies that you can be able to defend and stop making fool out of yourself. You made a video and you accuse yourself that Ogechi planned a voice note where you want to accuse my daddy Ebuko being that he raped. Now, guys, listen to this voice note. Look at what happened here. Jpac sent me a voice note of Ebony lost son, Ebony bleaching lost son. How Ebony lost son planned to humiliate and lay a manner of allegations. Please, if you're a Zionite, please, I want you to use this video and share it and pressurize this team to call for these people's arrest. Now, listen and listen very attentively. Because Jpac think you can come up and make up a story against me. Listen.
Next month to Jpac, my cause a problem. My potassium, yes, now Ebuko being with him on your abortion. The Mapamo. My cause commotion, my potassium Ebukobi, and then Jpac be a honey plan area. Or me one girl abortion. They get a cheat more than one or more. She will be a that female or more. I will make sure that I cash like 50 million. Because I'm like the video go well. So next month. So back.
And this was my response.
Jpac, here we hang out my life. Oh, hang a year on program. I show I get card so madame no many. I book on the man people are back or down on here. You can't just say give me a guy bosses so just man announce so I get play live program, I get play live video. They be a GJ on so person a bona plan and they could be a rape mother. We have just he gave man announce people are back or they get the thing. Lose a bully. Or next month. Jpac.
Now you have had my own response. So Jpac, like I said, your wife is dumb, you are dumb. I heard that you sent her this voice note to replay it and send it to you. Now, this is how you guys made fool out of yourselves. Now, listen to me. If you want to lie a lie that can be able to be believable. So, you are bringing all this false information, thinking that you pave way. You are even making the Zionites to know that I'm real, more than real, that they should love me more than anything. Because they know that if Ogechi can say this kind of a thing for you to come out, so we can debunk this rumor, this Amusu did. That's why you ran out to say, I will play voice note. Look at how you guys are joining, panking voice notes. Guys, please share this video. Because I heard you saying, the voice will go viral. Why are you fooling yourself? Thank God that this has signified that you are the one that sent this Ebony lost son voice. Before I made this, you see how low and how cheap you can get just to blackmail. Jpac, does it mean that everything I'm saying, everything I stated against you are all true? Why are you lying on your platform today? So, everything I have told people, the reason why I'm fighting you, you later accepted it last night. That you accuse me of my father raping me, that you accuse me of my father cursing me, that you accuse me of me taking my father to jail. You accuse me for fighting my father in public. But you were denying it. So finally, at your live program yesterday, you accepted everything and you started saying it. Jpac, hello. This is just the beginning. Huh? Thank God that you keep shooting yourself. Thank God that everything you told me about Igbo and I state on my live video that you finally vomited it. You was the one that told me about Igbo, that Igbo is sleeping with another man's wife. You was the one that said that Igbo was doing this before he jump and break his leg. Everything I said, thank God is coming out from your mouth. The reason why you will not accept the ones I said about Bibioko, Apokoko, and Guinea Globe, Global is because they are rich, they can fight you and you're getting money from them. Thank God you accepted Igbo's own because you know Igbo does not have money. You're not benefiting anything from Igbo. You see how the truth is finding you out. You will later accept everything that I said. Jpac, this is just the beginning. So the voice note you played has even contradicted your lies that you said you were not the person that sent this Ebony son voice notes. But did you see my reply to you that we should come out on program and run a live video to clarify my daddy's name, to share card and people will come so we will play this voice? You was dodging that time because you never wanted Ebony son to know that you're the one that leaked the voice. Thank you that You know, you have even brought this thing out. Now, people, that was my response though. Now you went and joined and cut some part of the voice, thinking that I don't have the original. Like I said, everything I had with you, you will be the one to be bringing it out, and I will use the truth to finish you. Jpac, cover your mouth. This war you bargain, it will take a long time. I've seen the saga clapping for you, jumping around. You will get victory for them. No, 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 no. You can't. Jpac, stop sharing our, distribute our women. Jpac, stop selling our women. Thousand. Very soon I will begin to ask all these people that signing you ambassadorianship. Is that what they represent? Does their company represent of selling women? Is that what Babyok represents? Is that what Seaman Global represents? Is that what Aquan represents? Is that what all these big men I will start mentioning their names to represent?